Zenith Sangma ubalong UMLE barim ka TNC mentagasni ka apukandai terik risau arja apusan Jylla Pyniasoh Biang yaladi syakaseng Indian National Congress Haka Pyniasoh bhayu da Dr. E Chilang Kumar ubadipet Haka Jylla Meghalaya haringkat kejinya donlang uba Vincent H Pala ubalong Presiden ke MPCC bat kiwi kihe nong yalam kaseng Congress Haka Jylla kabelalong ha Congress Bhawan Habakrench kilat pathai KHUBOR Zenith ulaong ba kajingwan Pyniasoh Biang jong syakani ka party kalong namar ka jinglong jingman ka baminta Haka Jylla bat kibadon hakabor kila pinjot ya ka Jylla Meghalaya lala banyo ya ka Jingbamsap Haka Jylla habaro kitna trekam jong ka sarkar Jylla ulaong ru ba ka jing Pyniasoh Biang jong syakaseng Congress kalong banyo Iakhun Pyrshah ya ka ka sarkar bamsam banyarap ikipat ba jong ka Jylla.
Once again, welcome all the friends from the media fraternity. I'm thankful to our in charge, the representative from All India Congress Committee, and Mr. Vincent Pala, the President Meghalaya PCC. Well, when I was speaking in the meeting, when I was joining and I was welcomed by the Congress leadership, I spoke quite a number of points, so I think you have already captured. But however, I once again want to share with you that as I have said, with sound mind and soul, I have consciously decided to rejoin in this all family, that is the Grand Old Party, which is the Indian National Congress. The rejoining of me into this Grand Old Party is that the prevailing situation across the state of Meghalaya and the country as well, the ruling dispensation, be it in the state of Meghalaya or at the center, they have been destroying the country. In the state of Meghalaya, we can see the jungle raj, rampant corruption from all fronts, not only in one department, in all social sectors, be it in MSCL, the electricity board, education, health sector, in every departments, because of the corruption. This present government is destroying the state. So, therefore, I have decided that as I have been working closely with the Congress Party for more than 20 years, 2 decades, it's a long period of time, I once again felt that this is my own family, and by being in this platform, it will be more appropriate and conducive for me to fight against this corrupt government and rescue the people. Therefore, I have consciously decided to rejoin in the Indian National Congress Party. And as I always maintain that whichever party I was associated with, whichever party means only once I was away from Congress, I always maintain that I am a true soldier of the party. I am against the corruption always. In my tenure as minister, if anybody can find out where I was involved, whether I was involved in any corrupt practice, that I can challenge. If the present government do some inquiry or investigation to the department I was looking after during my tenure also, I will not have any stress, because I am pretty sure that even a single dot was not misused in the file. So with full commitment, I voluntarily now rejoining the Congress party to serve the people of our beautiful state.
The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer (BDO).